Meet Sarah. Sarah has done everything right. She finished school. She got a stable job. She bought an apartment. She feels proud. Owning a home feels like success. She also bought a car, a reliable one, a nice one. From the outside, Sarah looks financially secure, but every month, her bank account tells a different story. Mortgage payment, car payment, maintenance, utilities, insurance. Money comes in and immediately goes out. Sarah believes she owns valuable things, but she rarely feels free. The problem is not her income. The problem is that no one ever taught her the difference between two very important things. Things that put money into your pocket and things that take money out. Most people call everything they own an asset. But in reality, many of those things only create expenses. A home that does not produce income still needs money to survive. A car does not generate money. It consumes it. There is nothing wrong with comfort. The danger is building your entire life on things that only cost you money. Some people do the opposite. Instead of using all their income to buy lifestyle, they use part of it to buy income. They focus on things that create cash flow, businesses, investments, projects that can grow. Later, those cash flows pay for comfort, not the other way around. The difference is not salary. The difference is habit. One habit spends first and saves what is left. The other habit builds first and enjoys later. And over time, those habits create very different futures. So the real question is not, how much do you earn? It is, when money enters your life, do you use it to buy things that drain you or things that can support you? That decision, repeated over years, is what separates stability from freedom. If this idea made you stop and think, then you are in the right place. On this channel, we take ideas from books and translate them into real life. Subscribe if you want to think differently about money, work, and freedom.